got something coming, and here it is.
I can't tell you how many people have been in my backyard and in my garage and everywhere else where I've had it, and they are like freaking out about it. It was like the Ricky first hand, so. This one you can't let attack him though. No. Jeez, I'll never forget that year. That's crazy.
His resilience is what got me.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, 2 days after it happened,
Oh, I know.
we're headed to a tractor
I
show.
know. When you guys showed up, I thought it's all over. I'm like, holy crap. Yeah. Slow but sure. I just didn't want to run into my son. We're good. A couple thousand times. Way too many times.
So, I lied. We're gonna be done, Ricky.
Here, just wait, I'll pull it up.
We're gonna be all done. I don't know if you're actually recording it right now or not.
I'll pull up a little bit, make it a little easier.
There it is.
I told her this one can't attack you though. That's how terrible about that one game we got. That's in this one, I think, the guy.
Hey everybody. It's been a while since I put a tractor video up. So if you saw in the intro, real short intro, that I had a delivery. And now we're going to take a closer look at it. We got ourselves another 1959 David Bradley. Not too bad. So we will probably, maybe tomorrow actually, maybe try to get it running. But let's take a look around. It's a little different than the other one. This one has a recoil, so this is pretty much the same exact tractor as the other one. Well, it is because the model number is the same. But on the other one, someone that bought it when it was new put the electric start on it. And this is what it would have looked like new. Well, it would have had the recoil on it. So hopefully the reverse works in this. Hopefully it runs. I'm confident it will, but hopefully the reverse works on this one. So it's got the 5 3/4 Briggs & Stratton. It's a nice original tractor. It looks like it was primed and maybe tried to be repainted at one time. I don't know. I don't know. Steering wheel on this one's a little bit better than the other one. I have to do a side by side thing this year with them. But, this actually has the reverse belt on it, and it doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty new. Has all the belts you need for it, so that's good. On the other one, on the 59, the other 59, the starter is here, and you can see there's no holes for a starter here. So when they put that starter in the other one, they had to put holes in there. But let's check the gas tank, shall we? Yeah. Let's see what the gas tank looks like. My shadow's in the way, so let me switch to the other side here. I can't really see in there, so I know you're not going to. Let me set this down so I can look at it. Yeah, I can't see down in there, so I'll have to look later. I'm gonna check the oil. If I can remember where the oil is. There it is. There it is. Down there. Screwdriver, I might. Nope. Let's see what it looks like here. It doesn't look too bad. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Yeah, I'm looking at this carburetor. You look too. But it looks wet there, so I don't know, but we'll check for spark. I'll be right back. You know what? I don't even know if this thing turns over. Let's see. Okay, it does. Alright, so let's zoom in on the spark plug here. Okay, now I'm gonna check for spark and then play it back and see if I got spark. Okay, now I'm gonna play this back and see if I got spark. Okay, I didn't see anything, so I repositioned it and we'll try it again. Okay, I didn't see any spark there, so we're just gonna save that for another time. We'll clean out this. We'll clean the points. Hopefully, it's not the coil because you can't replace that coil. That's in these old Briggs and Stratton. Unless you change out the flywheel, you can. I've seen that done, but you have to change the flywheel and put a newer style coil in it. But hopefully the coil is good and it's just the points, so that's going to be for another day, maybe tomorrow. And yeah, I think that will conclude this part because I don't know what else I could check besides the transmission. But apparently this was some guy's favorite tractor. So am assuming that it did run, but it hasn't run in quite a long time because you can tell just by that right there. You can tell. all the varnish in there, so that's going to have to be cleaned out anyway. So I am hoping that the coil didn't go out and they stopped, because if it is, they tried to look for a coil and you're not going to find this coil. They don't make this coil anymore. But nevertheless, there's an airplane going by. Of course. But for those who are interested in the engine, model number, and that, I'll show that to you. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. Of course I have. That's what it is. And I guess I'll show you the model number of the tractor, if I can. I don't know if I'll be able to, but we'll try it. Because actually I don't even remember what it is. It just ends in 601. 917 60601. You'd think I would know that, but hopefully we can get this one running too, because it's a nice addition. I like these old ones. They're fun to drive, these David Bradleys. So, Sears guys, my Sears friends, if you've never driven the David Bradley type, whether it be, you know, the original David Bradley or the Suburban 600 or 725, they're fun to drive. Because you're always messing with the levers and the throttle, and just you're always busy on them. They're pretty fun to drive. So it's not just, you know, put it in gear and you got your clutch and brake. I mean, totally different. So anyway, till tomorrow, I'll continue this video. I'll take off the shroud and look at that rewind too. That's not working like it should. So I'll clean those points, try to get spark, and then we'll try to get the thing to fire up. Alright then. Real quick note, that starter button is not where I said it was. It is actually on the battery box, right below the battery, in which that tractor outside doesn't have a battery box, or what's left of a battery box, I should say. But my mistake, and correction has been made. Okay, we're back. It's tomorrow, so a little late in the day, 4 o'clock. I had company, so I came out to work on it. And then as I turned the corner, my neighbor next door came and we were talking for quite a while. So now we're going to get to this, and I brought a flashlight. So we'll check this gas tank. Which I still can't see, but oh yeah, it's it looks to be in good condition, so that's a good thing. So now I'm going to, I'm not sure if we can see that or not. Not sure, well anyway, I'm going to check the transmission oil. Oh yeah. Here we go. Pretty good too. It's good. Okay, as we know, we didn't get sparked yesterday, so I'm going to take this off. And someone's been in here before because these two bolts are already loose. This is what I was talking about. You cannot get this coil anymore. Yeah, someone has been in here, for sure. See how clean that is? So I'm guessing somebody cleaned these points. I gotta go get a wrench for that. For that. Boss. Yep.
Oh my God, I've never seen one like that before. What
Sure.
kind is it?
I've got one. I got another one of these.
You do?
Yeah.
That's a rare one.
59 David Bradley.
David Bradley. They used to have the walk behinds years ago that we used.
Yep. Yep.
And they were powerful beasts. I think Sears Roebuck sold them maybe,
Yep.
if I remember right.
Yep.
So you gotta fix this one all up?
Well, I hope I get it running.
Tires look good.
Yeah,
Right.
man.
What is that, little Briggs in there?
Yep.
Yeah, you should be able to get parts for it yet.
5 7/4. Yeah. I can't get this coil though. I don't have a spark, so I just clean the points. I hope it's not this coil because you can't get them anymore.
I know somebody that might be able to get one.
Yeah.
But you gotta give me the coil here to measure. That is that's what do you call it? It's a name, it's a funny name. But I got a guy that collects old junk like this. Old stuff. He might be able to find your coil if it don't work.
Yeah.
You working on a spark plug now or what?
I just clean the points and putting
Yeah.
everything back together and gonna check for spark. Hopefully I have spark.
No spark yet, huh? I can maybe get a coil. Maybe.
You know.
Worth a try.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean,
Yeah. Yeah.
hopefully it's not the coil.
Usually the plug, the points that go ahead sitting.
Yeah, it's been sitting a while, so, but someone was in here, I can tell, because the magnets here, they're all clean.
Oh! Somebody was trying to get her to run.
So, yeah, someone was in here, and the 2 bolts up here were loose. I just,
So somebody was playing with her.
yeah.
Yeah, if you can't get it, give me a chance. I'll maybe find one.
All right, that would be great.
Not for sure, but I'll try.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if we got spark this time. If we don't have spark this time, then I am going to assume it is going to be the coil because they have the kill switch unhooked. Okay, let's see if we got spark. Act. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to play this back and see if I got spark. Well, everybody, thanks for watching on the new David Bradley. Unfortunately, we didn't get spark. I'm thinking it's the coil, which sucks. So, but I'm not going to give my hopes up. It might be grounding out somewhere, and I just don't know it yet. But I'm going to end the video here, and we'll see you next time, and we'll work on this again. Hey everybody, we're back on the third day. I've been working on it, so I took the coil off, cleaned it, I tested it, it tested good. I cleaned the points again, just cleaned everything up. It still doesn't look like I got a spark, but I couldn't see a spark, so I put my hand on the wire, and I could get a little tingle. So I thought I'd put some gas down the cylinder head there, and it fired right up. And I'll just show you guys. Put too much gas down there. Probably put too much gas down. She's a runner. So I can smell a clean down that sediment bowl. And we'll get back to you later.